It's not Moses, Joshua. Yeah. So I make that correction for us. It's Joshua, okay? So God told Joshua, take the people and walk how many times?
7 or 6. 6 and 7.
Okay, you gotta make sure, because if you don't do it right, nothing's gonna happen here. Okay, so it's 1 time a day for 6 what? Days. So that means they start Sunday, they ended up what? Friday. And then Saturday, how many times?
7.
7 times. So if you add those together, how many?
13.
All together. 13? 13?
How many times again?
13.
Okay. Okay. So
Maybe.
you're gonna get a sword and a horn.
Get
okay?
up. Get up.
So each one of these gonna get a horn and a sword. And we're gonna make 2 lines right here, or 2 lines. Yeah, 2 lines. So get up here. Come on. We need some
real soldiers.
here with the kids. So line up. Okay, here's the rule. You're not supposed to make any noise. Okay? No talking. All you can do is march.
Where are they?
In the
Record. I have to go pass out this.
Okay, so when you march, make sure no sound. All you have to do is blow your horn, okay? So, yeah, bring. So you're gonna get us. If anyone wants to volunteer, like the
Elders?
oh yeah, I mean older kids, they can join too. I had enough for everybody. So what you gonna do? You're gonna march around this. Pretend this is all right here, okay? And this is the good part. On the last round, you're gonna face the wall, and then what you gonna do? No.
Break it down.
The Bible says they had to scream as loud as you can, and also blow your horn, okay? See those horns? I found them in the trash. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't worry. They're clean. Don't worry. Okay, so let's practice first, okay? Get your sword ready. Go like this. And get your horn ready. Go like this. Ready, go. Make sure you have to be loud, okay? Loud, okay? So when you get to this point right here, you face the wall, and then you have to scream. You know what's going to happen when you scream? What's going to happen?
Fall down.
Okay, so let's see if it's going to happen, okay? Miracle. This is a miracle. But we need 2 volunteers. Because we also have to carry the Ark of the Covenant. So make it easy for the kids.
Daniel. Nathaniel and
Akko,
Josiah.
You know, that's what they call it. Akko. Okay?
We're all the real men.
So need 2 volunteers for one. So as you're marching around the thing over here, you're gonna blow your horn, okay? When I say blow it, 1, 2, 3, okay. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Okay, so 6 times first.
Good, how are you?
As you're going around, count Sunday, Monday. Okay, so first, all right, so you're going to follow these 2 guys right here, okay? These are the priests. Okay, go. Okay, right there. Okay, kids, here we go. So this is Sunday, okay? 1 time, ready? Here you go. You need some marching beat right there.
Jacob. Get Trina.
So you're going to go around here. You're not paying attention. The marriage is not going to happen if you don't pay attention here. Ready? Follow the beat, okay? Okay, so this is Sunday.
Make it fast.
Here we go. Yeah, you follow these two guys. Okay, when I say 1, 2, 3, blow your horn, okay? Keep marching. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's Sunday. Okay, so it's gonna take a little long for you to walk around. Okay, so come around. I'm walking. So we can go a little faster too.
Run.
So this is Monday. Stop counting. Come on, guys. Okay, get them all ready. 1, 2. You can't hear. You have to be loud in that. Okay, so this is what? What day is this? Don't count because if you miss, nothing's going to happen. Okay, so what is it? What day is it?
Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Wednesday. Tuesday.
Now you're mixing up your day.
Wednesday. Tuesday.
When?
Thursday.
Come on, come on. Roll your horn, ready to go. Don't worry, those are clean horn. Okay. What day is it?
Thursday. One more day.
Roll your horn. All right, that sounds good. What day is it? Roll your horn. Ready? Go. Okay, here comes the last one. Let's say this is the last trip right here. So they're going to face the wall, and then this is here to scream loud as you can, okay? Loud as you can. Okay, here it is. 1, 2, 3. One more time, one more time. Okay, let's have a seat. Come on, everybody sit down. We're not playing this. Come on. So, be careful, those are heavy. They'll break your back. Okay, so everybody sit down.
Mom, it didn't knock up.
Okay, so, did you like the story? Okay, yeah, we can do it again after church. Okay, so, the moral of this story. Last time I said it was like, if you have problems, but this time is different. A lot of the times, the people of God wanted to go on the other side, but this was the only problem they faced before they get to the place called Canaan. So, was it hard for them to conquer this wall? Was it hard for them? No. Why was it not hard for them? You see those two guys were carrying the ark? That was God right there. So in other words, if God is there with you, nothing is what? Impossible, right? What was the song that we sang? God can do what? Anything. So if anything difficult, God can make it possible for us. Okay? So who's going to volunteer to clean all this up? Yeah. Thank you, kids. You go back to your seat.